This is Anamika. She is very conscious about hygiene and want others to be like her too. She advises everyone with proper steps of washing hands, but she is upset because she cannot help a lot of people. She visited her friends Adnan and Sabbir at their robotics lab and asked for their help to build something smart. Her idea seemed interesting, so they both agreed to help her. They all sat together for planning and came up with an idea of a smart device. They named it Intelligent Soap Dispenser. Though it looks like an ordinary soap dispenser, it has something more. It has a time counter to make sure you are washing your hands for 20 seconds at least. Besides soap, it has glow gel in it. You put glow gel in your hand and you can check under UV light. It has a speaker to tell you the steps for proper hand wash. It also has a screen to show you steps besides voice and through animation. Isn't it cool? Wait. They also added a processor and a camera on it. So every time after you complete your hand wash, the screen will tell you how much germs you killed. How's that? But Anamika is still not very happy, because she thinks not all people can afford this. So Adnan and Sabbir gave her a surprise with 2 more versions of it. One costs under $5 and the other under $20. Now Anamika is happy, because anyone around the globe can now know the proper steps of hand wash without any advice. Intelligent Soap Dispenser. Stay hygiene, stay healthy.